We enable smart manufacturing. We are part of SESME, which is the federal government institute on smart manufacturing. They picked us because we've been in this innovation space on manufacturing for quite a while now. We introduced bots out there about 6 years ago. So we've had the ability to have a self-service type chat that allows you to allows your customers to ask questions, spending a lot of time around AI, and not just the generative AI that seems to be the flavor of the month or the year right now, but a lot around machine learning and how does that affect your ability to make the decisions that you need to manufacturing operations management, seeing those operational efficiencies and where they're deficient, and also how to improve upon that utilizing the AI tools that are not even just within SYSPRO, but also within Sugar itself.